Discover top deals at Eco-Friendly Personals, your ultimate eco-friendly lifestyle shop.
Eco-Friendly Personals is your one-stop shop for unbeatable deals on a diverse range of eco-friendly products.
From the latest in auto innovations and cutting-edge gadgets to trendy fashion and home essentials, we cater to every aspect of your eco-conscious lifestyle.
Ready to live that stylish, eco-friendly life with products that are not only cool but built to last?
Join thousands of satisfied users worldwide to discover items with the best deals across various categories, ensuring you find the perfect additions to fit your lifestyle.
Auto. Upgrade your ride with eco-friendly auto accessories that combine style with sustainability.
Gadgets. Find cutting-edge eco-friendly gadgets that are perfect for the tech-savvy and environmentally conscious.
Men's fashion. Step into sustainable style with our eco-friendly men's fashion.
Women's fashion. Embrace eco-friendly elegance with our women's fashion line.
Health and beauty. Transform your wellness routine with our eco-friendly health and beauty products.
Home and garden. Elevate your living space with eco-friendly home and garden essentials.
Kids and babies. Ensure a greener future for your little ones with our eco-friendly kids and babies products.
Outdoor. Adventure awaits with our sustainable outdoor gear.
Pets. Pamper your pets with our eco-friendly pet essentials.
Sports. Get active with our eco-friendly sports accessories.
Fitness. Elevate your fitness regime with our eco-friendly fitness gear.
Shop now and find the perfect items to fit your eco-friendly lifestyle.